Hello friends, how are you doing? This is Team Village channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can fix incoming calls not showing problem in Realme 8 or Realme 8 5G. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for my latest videos. So if you are facing incoming calls not showing problem in Realme 8 or Realme 8 5G, so first of all you just need to open settings and then go to call settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.